Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off notifications on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off notifications on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now in left pane, click on System. Then you will find an option Notifications. Click on Notifications, and by default notifications is turned on, and it's get notifications from all apps and other senders. Just click here to turn it off. Now all types of notifications are turned off on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.